What if there was an ultra-wide angle bullet security camera that could capture footage in 4K? What if that camera also had deterrence lights and a siren that could be triggered with AI-powered intelligent events? What if you had the choice between 24-hour color or night footage with IR lights? Say hello to the M8B-WIDEDT from R series and say goodbye to blind spots. This IP security camera has so much to offer. Let's go over the specs and features. The camera is 4K, meaning it has an impressive 3840 by 2160 max resolution with a crisp 20 frames per second. The focal length of the lens is 2.0 millimeters and has an incredible 180-degree horizontal field of view. The super wide view paired with intelligent events and active deterrence makes this camera very dynamic. The bullet has two white floodlights in the front, red and blue warning lights, and a loud siren. You could use them all together or individually, it all depends on what you need. If you have 24-hour color mode set on, the floodlights will be used for illuminating the darkness at night, meaning you will only have the red and blue warning lights and the siren for active deterrence. If full color isn't your preference, there is also a classic black and white night vision option for nighttime surveillance with an IR range of 80 feet. The M8B-WIDEDT has a wide range of AI-powered intelligent events such as human and vehicle detection, line crossing, perimeter intrusion, stationary object detection, and many more. When a person or vehicle is detected by the intelligent event, you can have it trigger the siren or deterrence lights to scare off an intruder. If you have the RXCamView mobile app, you can be notified on your phone. It is extremely easy to set up your camera with the mobile app. Once set up, you can check the live view anytime you want remotely, and even turn on the lights and siren with the touch of a button. You can also use the mic feature on the app to speak through the camera's speaker. That's right. This camera has two-way audio. It has a built-in mic and a speaker. You can record to the camera itself with a micro SD card or record locally to an R series NVR. The bullet is OnVIF compatible, so you can connect it to your pre-existing NVR as well. And that's pretty much all there is. If you're interested in this camera, there's a link in the description to learn more about it. Like this video if you found it helpful. If you're excited about this camera or have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Subscribe for more security content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.